Um. Do we move? What's going on? Tornado warning. Do we move? That thing's bad. Do we run? Hi.
You want to go downstairs? You can go downstairs.
No, please. Do we go?
Okay.
No, please. Please. What's going on? No. What is going on? I'm scared. They're still going off. It's been like 4 minutes. That guy's going. No. This is scary. Like, why are you scared of the sirens? It's a tornado warning. Shoot. That guy's going all over the place. I agree. I'm getting wet. Shoot. Well, there we go. We're dead. Strike. Come on. Come on. Nothing's moving. Shoot. Oh. What's the warning? They're going off again. I'm getting disoriented. I'm really delirious. You're not recording.
Oh, go ahead.
Still going off. There's like an inch of water here. That thing's dying. I don't like it. I'm really delirious right now. There it goes again. You're probably like, you're an idiot. It's a tornado warning. Get in the basement. I'm made to be an idiot. This is why I wanted you to come out of the store. It's been like 4 minutes. They turned off again. Hey. There's already a video up from Dawn. Somebody. There they go again for the 3rd time. Thanks, Dawn. Shout out to you. If you see this video, I'll just say Don M. I don't know if I have permission to say his real name, his last name. Well, you guys in the basement, LOL. Nope! The more I listen to these sirens, the more I'm like, blah, blah, blah. Tornado, crash, bang, smash, bam. Still going off. It's been like 5 minutes. Oh. There's gonna be a big ditch right here because of all this rain that's falling off the gutters. Why did it do that? Still going off. I should probably get out of the water. Watch them go off for a 5th time. What? Again! Yeah. You can't see anything. Nothing's moving. There we go. Shoot. This is bad. What does it say? That's the flaw. That's the flaw. It doesn't say where the tornado is. Where is the tornado? Shut up. There's a point where tornado sirens get There's a... Never mind what I was gonna say. There's a grasshopper. A grasshopper. More like a woodhopper. I wonder how you can post videos on my radar. Because I would totally do that. I'd be up for doing that. Woo! Yes, I'm on a rolling chair. Oh, shoot! I almost got one. Boom! This isn't good. This is torrential. That's what I'm guessing. Here we go again. That siren's gonna die. I just know it. Thankfully, it's not our fault. That's like an inch of water on the ground. And we live on a hill. It's just really big. And the decline's really shallow, I guess. I don't know. Oh, I've been recording for 11 minutes. So that means these sirens have been going on for 30. The rain's not as... How many tornado warnings are there? Did it get bigger? Everyone, we're not really into tornado warning every more. You can stop going off now. That's over an inch of water right there. If I hear any roaring noises, I'm booking it. I'm booking it. Not going there. Let's go around.